Unlock your passion for photography today as we demystify the initial setup of your Canon EOS Rebel 200D. First, let's power up your camera by locating the battery compartment on the bottom. Slide the latch and open the door. Take your fully charged LP10 battery and align it according to the indicator inside the compartment, then gently push it in until it clicks. Close the battery compartment door firmly until you hear the latch click, securing the battery in place. Next, we'll install your memory card. Open the memory card slot door on the side of your camera. With the metal contacts facing the back of the camera, gently push your SD card into the slot until it clicks securely. Close the memory card slot door until it clicks shut. Now, turn on your camera using the power switch located on the top. You'll see the screen illuminate. The first prompt will be to select your language. Use the directional buttons to navigate and the set button to confirm your choice, typically English. The camera will then prompt you to set the date and time. Use the directional buttons to adjust each field: euro, year, month, day, hour, and minute. Finally, select your time zone to ensure accurate timestamps on your photos. Once set, your Canon EOS Rebel 200D is ready. You're now perfectly set to begin capturing stunning photos and making endless memories. Happy shooting!